enjoy this part of the hobby, but I'm done with RC painting. Welcome to No Pros RC.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can watch over 600 videos that we have, and we would greatly appreciate your support. And now let's get to the video. Hey guys, so I'm going to give you an update on the paint job for the Hellcat for the miniz. Ran out of this neon green, which this yielded the results on the car. Some spots look okay, some spots don't. If you look at the top of the vehicle, I tried to clean that up as best I could, but it has some dark spots. So I don't know if that's a combination of this paint, my airbrushing skills, or lack thereof. I'm not sure. So still gonna try to finish it up with this neon green color. So I went on Amazon and purchased this, and I'm gonna put it in the spray gun, and we're gonna see what the results is. Either way, we're just gonna go for it.
A few moments later.
Well, yeah, that's about the best I'm going to get with it, with this kit. My skills, yeah, that's yeah, okay. It is what it is. There's nothing else more I can do with it. This no pro just don't know how to paint. So on that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button for pity's sake. And, I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.